Guys, everything is in Spanish at the training party. Like, do you see it? Look, oh my god. Miss Amigos. Amigos. Oh my gosh, guys. It says you're playing Animal Jam in a different language. Do you want to return to here? Oh my god. Animal Jam. Oh my god.
Wait, Sarah, do it and see what I'm saying in English.
Hi. Hola. Come on. This is hilarious. What are you saying? What are you saying?
ESPANTA.
I know.
You're invisible.
I'm red.
Wait, what's your name? You just changed. Yeah, there you are.
Like, just click on the flag. Sorry, Dad. No, I'm sorry. Oh, I'm gonna go close the door. Okay.
Pijama. Apando. Kimbra. Triple D. Dios.
You can see it.
Try with the spike. With the headdress.
I know, it looks really weird. Oh my gosh, guys. Guys, this is like seriously weird. Has this ever happened to you guys before? Like, your Animal Jam goes to Spanish automatically? It's like so weird. How do you even change your there's just like a flag at the end and everything just turns into Spanish. This is hilarious. Oh my gosh. That is weird. This is so weird. Jugar? What is jugar? That means play. Whoa, that's a lot.
For what, the headdress?
No, I didn't put my headdress on straight yet because I'm just living life right now. Comment and like if this has ever happened to you in Animal Jam. I'm not going to end the fun yet because after the video I'm going to laugh so hard. I'm going to wake my dad up and then my dad's going to just throw the computer out the window. So make sure to like, subscribe. Just Alright, make sure to like, subscribe, and comment what you think about this crazy video. See you next time, guys. Bye.